Dear students, in this lecture we will study the converse, inverse and contrapositive for a given conditional statement. Now here converse, inverse and contrapositive. Converse, inverse and contrapositive for given conditional statement. Now here, see that if the given statement is the P implies Q. P implies Q. We have to study the conditional statement, and in that conditional statement we studied the definition of conditional statement. Conditional statement means if two simple statements are connected by using logical connectivity, if they then formed compound statement is called as a conditional statement. Suppose that the conditional statement and a conditional statement मध्ये, in this conditional statement we have to use the logical connectivity if they and symbol for if they. Now consider that the given statement. Now then its converse is, we have to find these three: converse, inverse and contrapositive. Now here its converse. Its converse means we can change the statement first, position of statement first and second. Its positions are interchanged and the form statement is called as a converse statement. Its converse is the Q implies the P. Q implies P. Next term is the inverse. Now its inverse means we can write the negation of the statement P and negation of the statement Q, and then using the logical connectivity if they form compound statement is called as an inverse. Means inverse of the given statement is negation P implies negation Q. The third is contrapositive, and the contrapositive is the converse of inverse. Means inverse is the negation P implies negation Q. Its converse is we can interchange the first and second statement so that distance is equal to negation Q implies negation P. Means if the given statement is P implies Q, its converse is Q implies P, inverse is negation P implies negation Q, and contrapositive is negation Q implies negation P. Now let us see some examples. We can find the converse, inverse and contrapositive of given conditional statement. Now examples are: write the converse, inverse and contrapositive. Write the converse, inverse and contrapositive. Of the statement. Here given statement is if a function is differentiable, if a function is differentiable then it is continuous. It is continuous. Now this is our given statement. Now we can write the converse, inverse and contrapositive of this given statement. Now firstly, given statement is a conditional statement. Firstly, we can find the statement P and statement Q. Statement P is a statement which comes after F before the called as a statement P. Now where a statement, a function which is a differentiable, this function, this statement comes after P before the, so that this statement can be considered as a statement P. Can be considered as a statement P. P is a statement, a function is differentiable. A function is differentiable. P is a statement. Now your statement Q. Statement Q is a statement which comes after they, called as a statement Q. Now here see that they च्या नंतर येणारा statement. It is continuous. Now where Q is a function, it is continuous. It is continuous. Now where statement P, statement Q, we can find here statement P and Q. Now where next? In converse, inverse and contrapositive, there are the negations. Negation of statement P, negation of statement Q. We can write where negation of statement P. Now where negation is, we can write here not, logical connectivity not. Now where the given function is, a function is, given statement is, a function is differentiable, its negation is a function is not, we can write here logical connectivity not, a function is not differentiable. Function is not differentiable. Now where next? Q, its negation Q is a statement. Negation Q, it is not differentiable. It is not differentiable. It for a function. या ठिकाणी it ऐवजी आपण a function घेऊ. A function. या ठिकाणी it ऐवजी a function. A function is not differentiable. Function is not, continuous. Function is not continuous. A function is not continuous. Now here we can write here the converse, inverse and contrapositive ways to find converse, to write converse, inverse and contrapositive. Firstly we have to find given simple statements P and Q. Then we can write its negations, negation P, negation Q. Next we can write the converse, inverse and contrapositive. First write converse. Now we are converse that Q implies P. implies P. This is the symbolic form. We can write in word. Now here Q implies P. Implication, logical connectivity. If they means we can write if. Next है Q. Q a function is differentiable. Q a function. If a function is differentiable. We can write they. Next comes statement P. Statement P is a function is differentiable. Q implies P. A function is continuous. Then सुरुवातीला काहीतरी मी if च्या नंतर Q लिहिलं. Q statement. A function is continuous. Then after that we can write next statement P. The statement P is a function is differentiable. So that it is differentiable. This is the converse of given statement P. Converse of given statement. Now where inverse. Second inverse. Inverse where negation P implies negation Q. Now where negation P implies negation Q is such that now where logical connectivity implies, so that we can write if then write the first statement negation P, where negation P is a function is not differentiable. A function is not differentiable. Then it is not continuous. First statement negation P, if च्या नंतर negation P statement जे आहे ते a function is not differentiable. Then after that we can write the statement negation Q. It is not continuous. Next comes we can write here the contrapositive. Now we have got contrapositive. Now where contrapositive of the given statement is the converse of inverse, means negation Q implies negation P. Now we are right. Negation P. Logical connectivity if then, so that if first statement, that is the statement Q, a function is not continuous. A function is not continuous. Then next statement P, negation P. Negation P is a function is not differentiable. A function we have to replace here. It is not differentiable. It is not differentiable. Means if the given statement, when we have to write the converse inverse of the given functions, Firstly, we can find the statement P, statement Q. Then we can write the negation of statement P, statement Q, and put up the values in the definition of converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Next statement. Now next statement is if it rains, then the match will be cancelled. The match will be cancelled. Practically, if it rains, then the match will be cancelled. Now here we can find the first statement P, second statement Q. In solution, we can write here first statement. Statement P is a statement which comes after if, before they. Now here, it rains. Statement Q. The statement Q is the statement which comes after they. The match will be cancelled. Match will be cancelled. Then we can write the negation of statement P, statement Q. Now here, negation of P. It is it does not rain. It does not rain. Negation Q. The match will not be. The match is not cancelled. The match is not cancelled. ताजा वाक्यामध्ये is was नाही तिथं does not टाका आणि त्याचं निगेशन लिहा. The given statement is statement P is it rains. Its negation is it does not rain. Statement Q is the match will be cancelled. Negation, its negation is negation Q, the match is not cancelled. आता या ठिकाणी we have to find the converse, inverse and contrapositive. Now first we can write here the converse. Now the converse is if the given statement is conditional statement is the P implies Q, then its converse is means we can replace the position of first and second statement and write so that its converse is Q implies P. This is symbolic form. Now write in the form of word. Now then if Q implies means Q is a first statement Now your first statement, the match will be cancelled. The match will be cancelled. Cancel. Fine. If the match will be cancelled, then it rains. If match will be cancelled, then it rains. It is the converse of given statement. Now here we can write the inverse of given statement. Inverse of given statement. Now here in inverse we can write the negation of statement P, first statement implies negation of second statement. Means negation P implies negation Q. Now here in negation Q implies negation P. Now here if implies the logical connectivity if, then we can write E. The first statement is the statement P, negation P. Negation P, it does not raise. It does not raise. Then negation Q, the match is not cancelled. The match is not cancelled. Means the inverse is if it does not raise, the match is not cancelled. Now we are last. The third. It's contrapositive. It's contrapositive. Now the contrapositive is the converse of. Inverse means negation Q implies negation P. Now here, if first statement is negation Q, the match is not cancelled. The match is not cancelled. Then it does not raise. It does not raise. Now these are the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the given statement. Now remember converse, inverse and contrapositive, and then write the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the following given statements. Now in exercise 1.3 there are problems. Some problems means in your question number 4, write converse, inverse and contrapositive of the following statements. Now here statement is exercise 1.3 question 4, write converse, inverse and contrapositive of the following statements. Now where given statement is If voltage increases, if voltage increases, then current decreases. If voltage increases, then current decreases. Now here, firstly we can find the first statement P and second statement Q. Now here, the statement P is voltage increases. Voltage increases. Statement Q is next statement, that the statement which comes after the current decreases. Current decreases. Next we can write the negation of the given statements P and Q. Now we have negation of P. Voltage does not increases. Voltage does not increases. And negation Q, the current does not decreases. Current does not decreases. Now here we can write the converse of the given conditional statement. Now here we can write converse. Now here its converse means we can change the position of first and second statement so that the Q implies P. It is a symbolic form. We can write this statement as if Q current decreases, then statement P, voltage increases. See that converse of the given statement. If current decreases, then voltage increases. Now next we can write the inverse of given statement. Inverse means in the given statement we can write the negations of the given statements. Now here negation P implies negation Q. Negation P implies negation Q. Now let's see that. If first statement is negation P, here negation P is voltage does not increases. Voltage does not increases. Then now the second statement is negation Q. Negation Q here current does not decreases. Current does not decreases. Means inverse is if voltage does not increases, then current does not decreases. Now here last, its contrapositive. Its contrapositive. Now here negation Q implies negation P. Contrapositive is negation Q implies negation P. Now here if here first statement is negation Q, current does not decreases. Current does not decreases. Then negation P, voltage does not increases. Voltage does not increases. Voltage does not increases. Now here the contrapositive is if current does not decreases, then voltage does not increases. These are the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the given statements. Now here similarly in exercise 1.3 question 4 there are the conditional statements and we can write here negations of conditional statement. If surface area decreases and pressure increases, a family becomes literate if the woman in it is literate. Now here next problem. प्रत्येक प्रॉब्लेम सेम आहे परंतु या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये थोडा बदल आहे त्याच्यामुळे हा प्रॉब्लेम घेतो बाकीचे दोन जे प्रॉब्लेम आहेत ते तुम्ही सॉल्व करा नेक्स्ट जो प्रॉब्लेम आहे त्याच्यामध्ये इफ मध्ये बदल दिलेला आहे इफ नंतर दिलेला आहे a family becomes literate. A family becomes literate if the woman in it is literate. In it is literate. Now here to find the converse, inverse and contrapositive of this statement, firstly we can find the first statement and a second statement. Now here I can say that the first statement is a statement which comes after if. Now here in that problem the first statement is, now here see that here is if and the first statement is the statement which comes after if. Now here remaining is a second statement. Remaining is a second statement. Now here see that a statement P is a statement, the first statement which comes after P. Now here the first statement P is the woman in now here eat for family. Women eat in family are is literate. This is the first statement. Second statement, that is statement Q. Means a remaining statement is a statement Q. The remaining statement is a family becomes literate. A family becomes literate. Now here we can write the negations of the given statements. Now here negation of the statement first P is such that the woman in family is literate. We can write here not. Negation P is the woman in family is not literate. Negation Q, that a family does not becomes literate. A family does not becomes literate. A family does not becomes literate. Now here we can write the converse, inverse and contrapositive. Now here first converse of given statement. Now here converse is the Q implies P. Q implies P is such that. Now here we can write here if. Now here statement Q. Statement Q, a family becomes literate. Family becomes literate. Statement Q, right there. Next statement is P. Statement P is the woman in family is literate. So that the woman in family is literate. Now here next steps. We can write here the inverse. Now the inverse is negation P implies negation Q. Negation P implies negation Q. Now the negation P, write P. Negation P, the woman in family is not literate. The woman in family is not literate. Then negation Q, a family does not becomes literate. A family does not becomes literate. And last, negation P implies negation Q inverse. If the woman in family is not literate, then the family does not becomes literate. And last, the contrapositive. That negation Q implies negation P. Negation Q implies negation P. Now here negation P implication है, so that if negation Q, a family does not becomes literate, family does not becomes literate, then negation P, the woman in family is not literate. Woman in family is not literate. Woman in family is not literate.